Hey guys, we are working on getting on top of the roof. So Michael said that we're just making sure it's still there. It's hard enough to get on the roof with the pile. Look at that. It's like as tall as his head. How about you just like dive face first into it? He doesn't find me funny. But we are actually needing to check our vents. We're pretty sure that our vents are covered. And that allows our, the gases in the house and stuff to actually vent. And it's getting a little stinky in the house. You okay? Uh-oh. But it's a little bit warmer today. What is it? It was negative what?
7?
7? -7. Hey, we're moving up there. T-shirt weather, as you can tell. I said, man, he says it's kind of windy out, so we need to wear some warmer clothes. But I know that they're just going to come off because when you're shoveling, you get way too hot. We do have a little bit of wind in town. We got some great video of how windy it was this morning. And unfortunately, it took a lot of people off the road. So crazy windstorm that's going through, and it's making its way over here. But I don't think it will get that windy. And we will see. And my ice water. in the cold. But we will see because we've got a wind sail over here. So if we get that crazy wind, we will definitely lose our shelter logic. We were pretty worried that we were getting an ice dam, and last year we had a terrible ice dam issue, and we had to put heat tape up there, which really did solve it. Man, one of those chunks is gonna whack me in the face. It's intense. Look at that. So it doesn't look too bad, which is really great because we have been meaning to put some heat tape up just to prevent that from happening, but it looks pretty good. We're gonna get some snow off the vents and around the chimney today, and just to prevent any issues. Well, I just had a moment. He's laughing. I don't know if you can see him or hear him, but went to go get the other shovel and just turned around from being up there, and he's doing this but from behind, which I couldn't see. And I thought he intentionally dropped a large amount of snow on my back. And I thought, man, if you want me to help you, that is not what we should be doing right now. So it went down my back. Pretty cold. And I wasn't really a good sport about it. And I normally am.
What?
A good sport. But I was not a good sport. Not a good sport. And he said, I didn't mean to. So, I mean, I gotta forgive him. My hands are sticking to anything that I touched. But I had to take everything off and, wiggle it out. But we're all good. I'm gonna go help.
I left the pack layer here. This is all deceiving. Cold today.
It's cold.
It's like we don't really have to do, I have to make a path to the wood stove. Like, come on. All this is you. Step over it. Yep. Move your hand. Move. You're okay. Don't panic.
It's a little slippery.
Yeah, it's great. I was just scooping, man. I was just scooping.
You scooped it right into my back of my hood. I literally because I was turning around too, so I turned around, I'm like, what?
You nearly got this then.
Slide in your booty. This is the part I don't like, is getting down.
Slow down and I'll help you. Turn, face me. It will be fine if you don't do that. Turn and face me. Bring your leg over the top. Push your weights against the house, it'll be fine. We'll get it over.
That's my strength.
Well, the longer you sit here in between waiting to do it, the longer it will take to do it. Versus if you just do it. Come on. Lift it a little bit. Hold it like this. Let's do it. There you go.
Once I get that.
Oh yeah, once you're on the ground, it's fine. It's easy. Really?
You down here. I know. Gravity is against me right now.
Gravity's always against me.
She didn't make it. Let's get that on a close-up. But no, really.
What's up?
How is your nose?
No, I want to live.
Come on! I'm gonna jump on you. I'm cold. Sun's going down. Come on, big guy. Sun's getting real low. She wouldn't know what that is. No, there's no eggs. They're like, are you freaking kidding me? I'm gonna push them on my body? These cold temperatures? You kind of do. Look at this. They're like,
had eggs in 3 days.
close the door. Oh yeah, that one is looking kind of rough. Come on, let's go. Come on inside. It's too cold. It's so cold. We do have an ice dam. So the thin layer of ice right there. Whoa, can't do this. Meteorology would not be a good degree for me. Right there. But it's very thin. It's very thin. Last year, it was about 16 inches thick, and then the water started flowing into our house. So, one of the joys of an unfinished house. Things you have to worry about. Smell God's gift to man.
Going that way, huh?
Yep. Woo! Get out of there.
Well, I'm thankful that our house isn't going to smell like poo anymore. How about you? You didn't care.
I couldn't smell it.
Smell it.
I smelled it worse up there than I do inside.
Yeah.
You get like 1 particle per million, and you're like, I can smell some poop.
I really can. I have a heightened sensitivity to that. And
Crap filter?
yes, my crap filter, yes, is very, what is it? I have a very low tolerance for it. So, he has a very high tolerance because he never smells it.
The whole country smelled like crap. Sorry if anybody watches in Iraq. They don't. They don't. No, they don't.
But yeah, I'm telling you, it's been bad. And this morning I woke up and I said, ooh, it's bad all around. I'm smelling it in different rooms now. So we knew it was.
Look at the house full of crap.
We knew it was time. Yeah, and then you come outside and get some fresh air and then go back in and you're like,
Still couldn't smell it.
we're he still couldn't smell it, but I'm like, we're in trouble. We got to get out there and take care of this. But so I'm glad that our house is going to smell better. Now we're going to go light some candles in the truck because we can't open the doors, so we're just going to mask it for a while until hopefully it'll just dissipate.
Yep.
Thanks for joining us on our
Wonderful adventures today here in Alaska.
lovely beard.
Touch it.
No, I'm not touching it. I told him I was so thirsty up there I would lick it, but I'm not going to do that. He called my bluff. I will not do that. Well, we're just a few days from Christmas, and I know after you watch this, it'll be way past Christmas.
You're probably watching this in summertime.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
it'll cool you off.
it will. But
For a minute.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.